Hello, a warm welcome from my side. It's Bruno Sanguinetti, CEO of Dotphoton, and myself, Klaus Spitzig from Bosch. We are presenting a cutting-edge compression technology that is used in safety-critical applications. So this picture here shows the data center of Microsoft. It contains lots of data, and it exemplifies really nicely that this is huge, it costs a lot of money, and also uses a lot of energy, so produces a lot of CO2 emissions. So maybe you can see there's a small power plant attached to each segment. This is really to make it as efficient as possible, but still they only do it because it consumes a lot of energy. And that was also a pain point at Bosch, and we looked at different compression technologies to reduce the amount of data. What you see here, they have the typical compression algorithms that are used in consumer electronics. They are optimized to take advantage of the weaknesses of the human eye. So they are really efficient, but in safety critical application, there are strong concerns, and the artifacts that you have there permit that you actually use it. So the other way is having a lossless compression, so having it bit identically after having uncompressed it. Unfortunately, from the efficiency perspective, that won't do the job. So what we have found here with JetRaw, that's the technology of Dotphoton, that is really designed from scratch to meet the performance needs, and is particularly targeted at machine vision and AI. So that does it at a really nice performance level and high compression ratio, and in particular usable in our safety critical environment where we have really strong quality requirements. When we used it, then we had lots of issues to validate it. So we did complete validation runs to do a release for automotive grade ready components to be able to answer all the questions of the safety guys. Then we actually have a safety approval, and we can use it in serial production, and there are plenty of things that we needed to do there. That was quite a hassle, which we tackled jointly. Just after answering all the questions, we used that technology. We found out that the compute costs for that were eating up all the cost savings. And their really strong collaboration between the both companies allowed to optimize this algorithm so it performs faster, really magnitudes faster. So we now having savings both on the compute side and on the storage side. So we overcame that obstacle, and now we are able to use this and reap the benefits of it. I hand over to Bruno.
Well, thanks a lot, Klaus, for the great presentation. And so for us as a startup, it was great to have these theoretical aspects on our data sheet, but it was amazing to work with Bosch to show that achieving this technical 5-to-1 compression ratio actually resulted in, first of all, savings, but when you have savings, often they come at a cost in performance. But actually with compression, and if you can make it very fast, as Klaus just said, you actually get a speed up in performance. So if you have your newest GPUs that you need to feed with ever more data, you can keep up with that latest technology. Finally, what we saw is that if you have now, you saved money, you increased performance significantly, often, well, you emit more CO2. But because of the great savings that we provide in the other two aspects, in reality, we reduced the CO2 emissions by a large factor. And this has been by order of magnitude thousands of tons, which is comparable to what carbon capture projects would do. And you can do this in an efficient, cost-saving, performance-increasing way. So Also, the project with Bosch took a while. The system had to be integrated into the Bosch platforms, and we wanted to make this available for everyone much more easily. And so now we developed a way that you can have a platform that will manage your data, make it faster, more cost-effective, and track your costs and your CO2 emissions given to these large data storage projects. So with this, I would like to thank you and to say that the future of image data in autonomous and ADAS applications is happening now. If you like to scale those systems without spending too much money and with having the best possible efficiency, please come and visit us at our booth, which is in the corner down there. Thank you.
Thank you.